Hey guys, welcome to Wisdom Wednesdays. I'm debt-free Joel, and on Wisdom Wednesdays I try to share a few tips with you that help me become debt-free and ultimately be financially stable. In fact, my whole page is like this. We do it through saving, we do it through investing, and most importantly, we do it through charity. So on today's topic for Wisdom Wednesdays, I want to share with you the concept of sinking funds. Now let me be clear, I love sinking funds. I absolutely love the concept, so hopefully you do too. Stay tuned. So why do I love sinking funds? It's because it's the ultimate essence of preparation. It's the ultimate way of saying I know exactly what I'm going to do with my money and I'm going to be preparing for it. Think about this. We're in March of 2021. Now, you're probably not thinking about it, but do you already know how much you're going to be spending on Christmas? I know, right? We just came off of the New Year's. Why are you already thinking about Christmas? It's because you're preparing for that cash outflow later in life. See, sinking funds allow you to dictate in advance where your money is going to go and to prepare for it. So for example, if you know that you're going to be spending about $600 to $800 during Christmas, you start saving for it now. Maybe you put $50 away, $100 away every month so that when Christmas does come, you have the ability to buy what you want. Maybe all of you are just like me. You want to get the hell out of your apartment, you want to get the hell out of your house, and you want to go on vacation. And chances are you want to do that relatively soon. You're probably thinking, maybe around, July or August, right? That's when the COVID cases should be down. That's when the transmission rate should be lower. Everybody should be getting vaccines. Well, you have two options at this point. Well, three, but we don't count one. The one that we don't count is debt, right? We don't do debt over here. But the second one you may be saying to yourself is, look, I have some savings. I can pay for my vacation by simply going into my savings and doing what I want. That's okay, but remember, your savings is there to protect you. It's not there to fund your vacation. It's your emergency fund, right? It's not an emergency to go on vacation. I know some of you right now are looking at me saying to yourself that an emergency is a vacation, but it's not. The third option that I love, though, is preparing for your vacation and start to save for it now so that when you do cut the check, it's not with savings money. It's actually for money you allocated to the side. So let's say you want to go on vacation in August. You start putting away a couple $100 here and there for the next couple months, and then you buy the ticket, let's say in June. By that time, you have $600-700 already saved up for your vacation, even if it doesn't fund the whole thing. At least you know you don't have to go entirely into your savings to do it. That's what helped me become debt-free. See, I learned about sinking funds after I was already done with my debt, but I already had the concept when I was going through it. I already had what, people use cash envelopes, for example. Same thing. People use savings accounts where they have, for example, an ally. You can break it out into different subgroups. Same thing. That's why I love sinking funds. So if you're looking to become debt-free, if you're looking to build financial wealth, if you're looking to dictate where your money is going to go, start using sinking funds. Start dictating where your money is going to go. Start thinking about where your cash outlays are for the year and applying them. Start using your money the way you're supposed to. Don't let your money run you. Let you run your money. Think about carefully what I just said. Don't let your money run you. Let you run your money. The ultimate sign of financial maturity is when you can dictate where your money goes. Listen to that concept. That's financial maturity. Dictating where your money goes and how you see fit for it to be spent. So next time you want to spend something, a big purchase or whatever you want to do this year, use sinking funds. They're going to save you money, they're going to preserve your wealth, and they're going to still be able to do whatever you want. Don't allow your savings to be jeopardized just because you want to splurge. Splurging is fine here and there, but if you're going on vacation, if you're going to do something for Christmas, if you know there's a big capital expenditure that you're going to have, for a significant other's birthday, for example, for your birthday, whatever the case is, use sinking funds, use them now, and prepare in advance. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And there you have it. I'm going to keep it nice and sweet for you guys this week. Use sinking funds. They're going to make your life a lot easier. I'm debt-free Joel. Feel free to put comments below if you have used sinking funds before, if you don't want to use sinking funds, or whatever other comment you want to have. In addition to that, feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's the same handle as YouTube, at DebtFreeJoel. I put a ton of information out there on investing, on saving, and most importantly on charity. And I'll leave you guys with this, as I always do. Always remember that a part of all that you earn is yours to keep. I'll see you next time.